flat, second floor, northeast face, 1658 SFT. Kitchen, the light లేదు ఇక్కడ. Bedroom with attached bathroom. Wash area. Master bedroom with attached bathroom. Balcony. Another bedroom with balcony. Road facing flat, good ventilation.
East face.
Northeast face.
Lake KCR.